Unity is strength. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived an old man and his 3 sons. The sons often argued with each other.
Why are you always taking my things?
I didn't touch your things. It was him.
You both always fight.
The old man saw his sons arguing every day and felt sad.
They don't know how strong they can be if they stay together.
He decided to teach them an important lesson. He called his sons.
Come here, my sons. I have something for you.
What is it, Father?
The old man gave each of them a stick.
Break this stick.
The sons quickly broke their sticks.
That was so easy.
The old man then tied several sticks together in a bundle. He gave it to his sons.
Now try to break this bundle of sticks.
The eldest son tried first. He pushed and pulled, but the sticks didn't break. The second son tried next.
It's too hard.
The youngest son tried to.
I can't break it.
The old man smiled.
Do you see, my sons? One stick is easy to break, but when the sticks are together, they are strong. You are like these sticks. If you fight and stay apart, you are weak. But if you work together, you will be strong, and no one can hurt you.
The sons looked at each other.
Father, we understand now.
We will stop fighting.
Yes, we will stay together.
The sons understood their father's wisdom. From that day on, the brothers promised to work together and live happily. Moral of the story: when we are united, we are strong. Together, we can do anything. Great listening, everyone. Did you enjoy the story? Remember, when we work together, we are stronger, just like the brothers in the story. Keep practicing your English with more fun stories like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vivid Kids English. See you next time.